What's up, guys? KotaBearTV back at again with another video. So today, me and my dad went up to Tug Hill. It's Sunday currently. They got a little bit of snow, and then they've had some lake effect overnight. The parking lot I'm in right now has got probably 6 inches to a foot. So they got about, I would say, anywhere between 12 and 18 inches, but it's been really windy, so there's a lot of drifts and stuff. Hoping to find some of those, hit those for you guys. But obviously I got my SKS with me today. My dad got his little F570. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support. And if you guys are in the market, don't forget Castle X. This year is my first year running their gear, and I've loved it so far. I love the helmet here, the Castle X helmet with the orange goggles. I hooked a Pro Shot mount to it right here. This hooks with the Velcro and everything here, and then it mounts right in front of me. It's awesome. I love it. The link will be in the description for the Pro Shot mount, and also the code KotaBearTV5 will be in the description also for 5% off Castle X merch if you guys are in the market for some Castle X gear. If you're in the market for some new gear, for the price, you really cannot go wrong. So let's get into the video today, guys. Do some riding, go all over top of Tug Hill, and hopefully find some good snow, some good drifts. We're probably gonna be breaking trail. We got here early. It's like 7:30 right now, so that was 12 o'clock. That was pretty good. Fun, fast. It handles really well. Surprisingly, I have it on the narrowest setting right now. Not gonna wait for Dad. Come on, old man. All right, we're gonna try to stay on this drift slash whatchamacallit. right, guys, so we've been riding all day. The trails have not been as good as we had thought. Like, a lot of places only got 6 inches, 8 inches in that area. Whatever, I mean, it is what it is. We're riding, and that's all that matters. But I've been railing this thing in the trails. I actually adjusted it to the 39-inch setting on it instead of the 41, and actually it's been really well. I can really hammer the trails and be fine. It's a little tippy. You just got to counter it and stuff. Once you get used to it, it's not even there. Like, you don't even feel it. You just like know what to do as soon as you hit it. So I'm really impressed with the SKS on trail. As I was saying, guys, it doesn't overheat, doesn't do anything like that. It's been running really good. I'm very happy with the SKS. My Assault was amazing sled too, but I think for me this is just a little bit better. I can't wait to get in the deep snow and see how it really handles. So I can't wait to get to Maine and ride that. So let's get back into some clips from today, and we're gonna go have some lunch at Flat Rock. So no problem. I hit it earlier, it was fine. It like hit dead. Guys, so we made it back. We did about 100 miles today, not too bad. We're already back at the truck. It's like 2 o'clock. We're gonna head home. Dad did good on his Artie Cat all day, and honestly, my SKS guys, I couldn't have been more happy with the way it handled today. It was very, very, very bumpy all day. They hadn't got out and groomed yet. We actually just passed a groomer on the way through. But it handles bumps really, really well, actually. I was very shocked. And the cornering with the smallest, the shorter setting, I have it on 39 inches now. It did great. It did great. But like I said, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, especially because I'm going to have more content coming soon. Hopefully winter freaking comes, because it's been bad. We'll see what next week looks like. So I want to get out next week, but in a month I'll be going up to Maine and riding in Maine. I'm hoping they get a bunch of snow too. It's not looking good up there either. So I mean, we got a month. We'll see how it changes, but I appreciate all the support you guys have given me. Thank you for watching today's video, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.